part of what makes us such a compassionate nation. Bedrock investment and doing anything. And we give thanks to everyone who's doing their part to make the United States a better, more compassionate nation, who spend their Thanksgiving volunteering at a soup kitchen or joining a service project or bringing food and cheer to a lonely neighbor.
We need committed, compassionate men to serve as mentors and tutors and big brothers and foster parents.
In the name of God, the most merciful, the passionate. Thank you.
I'll never forget how compassionate, how professional, and how dedicated nurses have been to Michelle and I when we needed them most.
They were swayed by their considerations about the need to release him on compassionate grounds that I think were completely wrong.
A more dedicated, intelligent, compassionate, hardworking group of professionals you will never meet.
Officer Bruce St. Laurent of the Jupiter, Florida Police Department was, according to a friend, just what a cop should be. Tough, compassionate, caring, and brave. But to his community, he was more than a cop.
This morning I recognized 16 brilliant, compassionate, wildly talented people with the Presidential Medal of Freedom, the nation's highest civilian award.
She spoke at our annual summit at the Rosalie Carter Institute last fall, and is a wonderful, compassionate leader with the ability to get things done.
So I want to thank all of you for making the United States a more just and compassionate place.
Each of these leaders have shown great responsiveness and great sincerity in wanting to deal with the situation in a sensible and compassionate way. And that's why it deserves reasoned and thoughtful and compassionate debate.
And I want to commend Justin and the Canadian people once again for their compassionate leadership on this front.
We know that if we seek to be even greater, we must do greater things. Be more compassionate, be more accepting, be more open to those who dress differently or eat different foods or speak different languages.
I also want to extend the world's appreciation for the humanitarian and compassionate manner that Greece has dealt with the severe migration and refugee crisis that's been taking place.
Επίσης, παράλληλα, θα ήθελα να σας συγχαρώ για